Good evening, friends. We are studied about real numbers, 10th standard. Real numbers. There are 5 types real numbers. 1. Rational number. 2. Integers number. 3. Whole number. Natural number. Real numbers. Example 6 by 7, 0.25, minus 5 by 8, 3.5. Integers number minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, etc. Whole number. Whole number started by 0. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Irrational number root 2, pi, 0.946, minus root 8. Composite number. The number which have more than 2 factor. Example 4 is divided 2 table, 4 table, 2 twos, 4 ones, 1 fours. 6 3 twos, 2 threes, 6 ones. 8 table 2 fours, 4 twos, 8 ones. 9 3 threes, 3 ones, 9 ones. These all numbers are composite number. Prime factorization. Example 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2. Next 2 6 are 12, 2 threes are 3 ones. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 24 is equal to 2 cube because 2 repeated 3 times. Into 2 cube into 3 into 1. The next example is 324. 324 is divided 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 2 twos are 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2. Next is 3 twos are 6, 2 carry, 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 to 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 to 3 into 3 into 1. 3 or 4 is equal to 2 square in 3 cube.